Hey friends, this is Atif Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this big down channel, and so far Bitcoin is not able to break it out. And we will also take a look at this breakout from this falling wedge pattern and this bigger resistance of the descending triangle as well. And I would like to show you this breakout from this smaller falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me to begin with this weekly time frame chart, and here we can see that here we had a very strong support, and now it will work as a very significant resistance for the price line once Bitcoin will be able to reach here. That is at $28,600, and you can see here for the long time period it has been working as a strong support. Now Bitcoin is likely to form a double bottom here during this drop. You can see we had a first bottom here, then we had another pump, and now it is forming another bottom, and now there is a possibility that from here the price line may start another price reversal very soon, because you can see this level is working as a strong support since December 2017. You can see this support zone that starts from $19,500 and goes to $17,500. When we entered in this zone, we got rejected. At that time, it was working as a resistance zone. We again moved out. We got rejected by a $17,500 resistance. And here you can see it worked as a strong resistance. And recently, after this big drop in the month of May 2022, June 2022, we tested this support once again, and right now the price line is again entered in this support zone. Now if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here recently we broke out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. The target was here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $24,000 to $25,000, but the price line is rejected by this downtrend line resistance, and there is a formation of a descending triangle, and now the movement is quite squeezed. Therefore I'm expecting very soon a quite big move, and I'm also expecting a breakout from here, because we are having a very strong support zone. For example, if this support of $17,500 will be broken down, then there can be a big drop possible to test the support of the channel, somewhere here approximately at $13,500 to $14,000. But so far so good. You can see price line is not breaking down the support. It has also broken out this resistance of the wedge, and also respecting this support that we have at $18,500. Now if we take a look at the more small time frame chart, then on the 4-hour time frame chart, it has also broken out the resistance of the falling wedge pattern, but the volume is not supporting so far this breakout. Like previously, we had another such resistance here, and after breaking out, you can see we had a powerful buying volume. Then the price line had a nice rally. Same as like that, we need a powerful buying volume. However, the target for this breakout is here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $20,400, and in that situation we can also break out the resistance of this bigger triangle as well. And in that situation, if we take a look at the target for this bigger triangle, that will be here, that is showing us the projection at $32,500. But before that, we have a very strong resistance of the downtrend line of this down channel, and this resistance of $28,500. And by the way, if Bitcoin will be able to break out this resistance of the down channel, that will be the first step to get out from this downtrend. And our final target will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $65,000 to $66,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.